Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This video is about the solder iron. See, the functioning is very simple. When you turn on the power supply, the heat translates to this element, this tip. Okay, so when this gets hot, then you have to use the soldering wire. We will see the usage later. So you have to melt it and you will get a liquid. This will turn into the liquid form, and then that liquid you have to use to make a joint. The most common domestic solder of iron is 25 watt. I have put the link of one product in the description which you can explore. This one, these are actually common wire. This is called solder wire, and this is very flexible. You see why? Because this has only 40% of tin and 60% of lead, and they come in the different gauge. For example, for the fine work you can go for the 18 one, and this one is 20, or you can go for the 20. And, the use case which I'm going to show you is making a joint. So let's say I have taken a wire like this, waste material like this, and now let's say if you have to join these two, how would you do? Okay, now see, the biggest problem I face is we have only two hands. Okay, one hand for the solder machine, okay, one hand for the solder wire, and the third hand we need to join these two. So how I do is I melt it like this. Okay, I make a drop. So okay, that drop went down. Now see, I have a drop. Okay, now this drop will not go away because this is a heating point, right? Heating element. This drop will remain drop, it will not become solid. Now I'm taking the wire. Now I need only two hands. See, drop is already there, and one hand is busy with the solder, one hand is busy with holding the wire at the right position, and then I drop the wire, drop this liquid. That's it, we are done comfortably. Okay, there is no problem. Now you have to just clean like this. That's it. Now I'll show you the joint, how it is. You see, this joint is very solid. It is able to lift this heavy metal. For the electronic circuit, this is more than sufficient. That's it for this video, guys. If you like this content, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.